In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted chats on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your deleted messages or chats on Instagram, you need to click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Click on the search bar and in the search bar type download your information. Click on request a download and then click on select types of information. Now select messages and then click on next. Click on submit a request. Okay, now a file containing your information is being prepared, and once it's prepared, it will be sent to your email address. It usually depends upon your file size. If you have a new profile, you will receive the file much quicker. So now wait for some time and I'll get back to you guys when I have received my files.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, welcome back, and as you can see that I have received my file. So open the email and click on this download your information option. Click on download. Now log into your Instagram account. Click on download information. Then click on open. Now go to messages, go to inbox, then go to message, and here you will see all your deleted Instagram chats. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.